video. This video is interestingly different. You want to know why? It's because I'm taking a video. I'm here with my brother Endefyde. Show your hands. Hand reveal. Yeah, it's my little brother.
Face reveal.
No face reveal.
Why?
Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a raccoon. Why, you might be asking? Because this little dude wants to do it.
I demand it.
He
Not
demands
asked.
it. Okay, fine, he demanded it. Okay, we're at an interesting setup right here because kind of last minute.
Like there's a chair on a table with a lot of books on that.
Shush, shush, it's fine. Okay, let's get started. You ready for this? Endefyde? You ready, Endefyde?
Okay. It's
Alright.
actually EndefydeGaming.
Okay, fine. EndefydeGaming. You changed it. Let's start this. Okay, you ready? So, we're gonna be drawing a raccoon, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna start with a little circle. It's fine, you can turn it a little bit. We gotta put it back so the camera can see it. Let's just draw a circle. Jeez. Oh my goodness, okay. Okay, now we're gonna put the little, that. Basically going this way, that way. Good job. Now, raccoon ears. They've got the little,
Wait.
how dare you? They've got like little ears, don't they? I'm gonna be looking at like a real photo after this. I'm just gonna be disappointed in myself.
Yeah.
Don't they have just like tiny little ears?
Let me see. Raccoon.
This is good enough.
I can't spell raccoon like.
Okay, Endefyde.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, draw the little ears. I think maybe they're a little round. So let's curve it a little bit.
I'm making like a panda-ish raccoon, I think.
How adorable.
Look.
There we go.
It looks so
Perfect. Now we've got a lot of fur here.
And whiskers.
And whiskers. But
Wait,
we're
there's
not
no
there yet.
fur.
Yeah. What? What do you mean? Raccoons have fur. Raccoons have fur. Chill, okay? Just draw the fur. Don't forget to bring it over here so the viewers can view it. Go ahead.
This is just an embarrassing thing.
Beautiful. Now we're gonna do, what kind of noses do I have? I came with this completely unprepared. Okay,
Me too.
a round-ish kind of nose, kind of a little black. Yeah, like that.
I'm totally not copying from something.
You're copying from me, that's the whole point. Okay,
I feel like you're making a bear.
should we make it smile? Should we? Should this be
I don't know
a
how I
happy
put
little
them
guy?
up. I'm just gonna erase it all and then make the big circle.
Let's see here. Drawing at an awkward angle. There we go.
Started. Wait, is this gonna be a time?
A time lapse? Probably not. It's a tutorial.
Yeah.
Okay, now continue.
Go subscribe to EndefydeGaming.
Just continue. Did you erase it?
Yeah.
With this? Remember.
I'm gonna be under the table. You can't stop me.
Okay, just continue.
This is uncomfortable.
I'm gonna go over this.
I have made a mistake. I have made a mistake.
We'll be right back. Continue.
Yay!
And now we're back. All right, you ready, Endefyde? The next step. Hello.
What's the next step?
This. We're gonna do some
Eyeballs.
cute little eyeballs.
Eyeballs.
This is the weirdest angle I have ever drawn.
I think I'm gonna have the coolest eyeballs, but then the worst body and head.
Let's see your eyeball drawing skills.
I just copy people.
I like how I'm doing a tutorial on an animal I've never drawn before.
I always thought that raccoons were like ninja wobbles or
It
something.
doesn't look like a raccoon. I gave it those little eyebrow things, but that's fine.
I always thought raccoons were like ninjas.
Yeah.
I always thought that.
Okay, you got your eyes done?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I always thought that. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
I always thought they were ninjas. Little ninja raccoons.
So you got so far? Okay, let's do their little eye things.
What things?
You know, their mask that makes them look like a robber.
Oh, so cute.
Alrighty. I actually just looked up a picture of them because I didn't know what I was doing. So we got some black
They
down
look like
here.
pandas now.
This looks like a panda. That's fine. And now
Panda cat, dude. You're just drawing a cat what looks like a raccoon panda.
oh, well, thank you. I do like drawing cats.
Your channel is literally for a cat videos.
I know. And it's only like what, day 2 or 3 of
You
the
don't
channel.
even have cats.
It's all cats. I don't even have a cat. I need a cat. Here we go. So cute.
Aww.
Don't forget to bring him over here once in a while
Yeah.
so the camera can actually see it.
You mean the viewers?
The viewers.
Who's the
camera?
viewers? Is
The
that
viewer
Jim?
cameras.
I saw Jim not subscribe yet.
Okay, anyways. Now we're gonna give him his little floof. This is probably gonna end up looking more like a cat.
Cat. I'm gonna just look at the picture. They have a tail. What looks like a raccoon tail, Jamie.
So what I did
Why are
here,
you
Matthew-
drawing a cat?
I'm not. Shush. Okay. What I did here is I put little floofy here.
I'm not
For
I'm
scruff,
not
okay?
gonna draw as you. I'm gonna draw as a.
All right. So what I did here
Oh, I did
was
still
added a little fluff and part of the back. Great. It actually looks better than mine. So I don't know why.
Looks like a human.
Great. Okay. Should they ever do like arched backs, don't they? It's fine, it's fine. Maybe he's doing something.
They have evil backs.
So now we're gonna do the tail. Now when I draw animals, I don't follow like a routine or steps or anything, except for the fact that I draw heads first. So I'm just gonna start doing the tail, I guess. You gonna do the tail, Endefyde?
Yeah.
Whoa. What happened? Explain.
Well, I try to do like yours, but then I accidentally made a body.
What do you mean? Okay. At least draw
So
the
I'm
tail.
doing a raccoon human, I guess.
Alrighty. So you already kind of did the legs, but I'm gonna add mine in just because I kind of need legs. So it's gonna
need
kind
like
of
a
almost be
poofy
sitting
tail.
on his hind
I
legs.
need like a poofy tail.
Yes, they have fairly floofy, fuzzy tails. What I like to do sometimes when I draw on paper, I like to take a picture, put it on my iPad, send it straight to Procreate, which is my app that I like to use for drawing. And then I trace over it, make it digital, and yeah, so I might do that.
Now mine looks like a wobble.
Mine still looks like a cat.
Mine looks like a raccoon wobble with a raccoon prison tail. You know those like prisons one with the black and white, just stripes. Yeah, that's what the tail looks like.
Okay, still working on my feet.
Now I have to make the hands.
Right, the hands. I'll do that.
I'm gonna
later.
make hand paws.
hand
You
paw.
can't stop me.
So,
You forget. Go subscribe to EndefydeGaming.
yeah, his link will be in the description.
Advertisement.
Okay, so they've got like really tiny hands, so
I don't draw. I'm good at like. Oh.
You're good at Minecraft.
Yeah. Not like. Also, if you didn't know, you fully can't plays Minecraft.
I do, but I don't put it on my channel.
Yeah.
It's just a side
You
thing I do.
You should play Minecraft.
All right, this is what we have so far. Jeez, no, we're not done.
I know.
Okay, now
You look done.
raccoons are sometimes, you know, a little heavier. But it makes them cuter.
And they're
you know.
feisty.
They're feisty.
And
Should we make them angry?
And I'm sick.
No.
Oh, I feel sick now. I need to have breath.
The reason Endefyde is sick is because I have a little hamster in here, and hamsters, they like to smell. Okay, it's not his
Smell
fault.
like.
Oh shush.
Oh.
He likes to smell.
My
That's his
stomach.
own problem.
Help my
Okay.
stomach.
Let's see here. See, we got our little some sort of a hand here, I guess.
You should make a paw.
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Now we're gonna do the other arm. Don't pull it all the way over there. And the camera still needs to see it, remember?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Little camera.
Now, do they have any other like patterns or anything on them? Or I think this is it. Okay. Got a little white on the muzzle, I guess.
How much hands? How many fingers do they have?
How many hands
How
do
much
they have?
fingers do they have?
How many fingers? I think 4. Notice how I stuttered. I don't actually know. I think 5. I'm looking at this picture. I'm thinking 5. I think they have like a little thumb of some sort, maybe. Oh no. Okay.
Making a human paw?
Oh, my knees.
Oh, yeah. Does this look okay?
Yours looks more like a raccoon than mine does. I'm gonna be honest with you.
How about this? Just make this video into raccoon cat.
Raccoon cat. The last one I did, I was trying to draw a hamster, and it turned into hamster cat because I didn't know what I was
And
doing.
raccoon human bandit.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
Do those.
Okay, are you ready for the other leg, Endefyde?
I have to do the another arm.
Yeah, your character just has arms.
Yeah, I have arms.
I'm glad you have arms. Alright, and then we'll have the other leg kind of just sticking up here.
You know what's my baddest weakness? Is that
Kind of just there.
I don't do the same like length of the other hand than the other hand.
Same, I've done that before. See how it's hard. It's hard. Like when I'm drawing paws, I find like making them look the same really hard. Like the same size or whatever.
No face reveal.
Oh, face reveal, be careful. Don't keep your face in the camera.
Just keep your hands.
Or they'll
Hand
know.
reveal. Wait, what happens if they have an app where they can scan our handprint and
Figure
they'll
out
know
who we
who
are.
we are?
Yeah.
That'd be so
Well, I mean, some of my friends are subscribed, so they know it's me. There we go.
What happens if they thought it was just a random person?
Maybe it's not me. They don't know. Okay. I'm gonna give him some whiskers. I don't normally draw whiskers on
Someday I'm gonna do a real life video.
things.
That's what I was planning for weeks.
You're gonna do one for EndefydeGaming?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I wanted to do like a YouTube channel where it's called Endefyde Life, the life of Endefyde, or something. Like
a vlog
life
or blog.
or like.
One of those. Alrighty.
Go subscribe to my favorite YouTube channel, Moosecraft.
Okay. There we go. I finished. How is yours doing? Let's get them. Oh, whoops, I'm sorry. I made you do a mistake. It's alright, you can erase it. Alrighty.
If you don't know, in my YouTube channel, I'm very funny.
I know. You're a
Sometimes
funny kid.
I'm just very mean to slimes and stuff.
Wow.
I'm just like, let's kill that slime.
Alrighty.
I don't know what the slime did.
Are
to
you
me.
done?
No.
I'm done. Maybe I'll sign it.
I'm gonna sign this and sell it for like $20.
I don't really have a signature. I just write half my name in the first initial of my last name.
You know
because
what?
I don't know.
Subscribers than you.
Yeah, I recently got more subscribers than him.
We were on a battle
Yeah.
to see,
and
I don't know what was the reward.
He's had his channel longer than me. I just got mine, and Verdi got like 30 something, and he only has 28.
It's been like 2 days.
But go subscribe to Endified. We need to keep the battle going. You think you're done?
No.
Really?
No, I need to do like a sweater on him.
Oh, that's gonna take forever. Come on. We actually have a special judge with us. He's very famous within our house.
Not that famous.
He's the only reason my brothers come to my room anymore.
I still hang out with you.
Yeah, you do.
Sometimes. Sometimes I just game.
Yeah. Okay, you done now?
I'm not done.
Hurry up. Okay, I'm gonna go get
Mom, what
our
kind
judge.
of sweater should I do?
I'm getting your judge. Okay, Endified, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Alrighty. Let's put them
Mine
both
looks
here.
more better than yours.
Oh, wow.
Your
wow.
one looks like just a cat with panda eyes.
It kind of looks like a cat.
And with
Okay,
poofy
well,
tail.
here is our lovely little judge. This is Salmon. I made a video on him, sort of. I drew him as a cat.
You drew everything like a cat.
I tried to draw him as just a hamster, but it didn't work.
Have you drawn me like a cat yet? Like
I should.
An
I should.
Enderman, like.
Okay, let's see which picture he likes better. Oh, it's a tough decision. Nah, he just wants to explore. He doesn't care. He doesn't care. Okay, Salmon, which one do you want? He chooses mine in your face. He'll never betray his owner. He loves me and I love him.
Hey,
Mwah.
no, choose again.
Choose again. Okay, round 2, Salmon. Round 2.
Salmon. His sound was just like, I'm gonna explode you.
He's so cute. I love him. Okay, anyways. Well, let's say it's a tie then. Until next time. Don't you do it.
Wait, I'm not done. I have to do my signature.
Okay, real quick. Show the camera.
You messed up my signature.
I'm sorry, I messed everything up.
I guess
again.
I'm gonna.
It's just the job of an older sister. What do you expect? I just
Because
crossed it
half,
out.
like, half Enderman, half human.
Alright.
That's my signature. Don't copy it or
You
I'll slap
don't
you.
know what he just did, but he just dabbed. Off camera, just so you know. Can Salmon dab? Salmon can't dab. He's too cool for dabbing.
Sam's like, I can't dab.
Alright, that's it for this video. I will have the link to EndefydeGaming in the description below. He's a YouTube Minecraft channel with like 28 subscribers. Go subscribe to him. He likes making videos for strangers. Thanks for coming to watch this video. Thank you so much. Salmon appreciates it. He loves all of you. Okay, bye.